Now our Python Django run perfectly, so we need to do more now because we haven't have the application yet. So we go to our Python Django and then we go to next slide. So in next slideนะครับ what we gonna do is we need to start app and then the app name catalog app. Okay, so what we gonna do is we copy this command นะครับ or you can type py manage.py start app catalog underscore app นะครับ so we go back to the terminal and then put this command 1 2 3 and then we press enter. So after we press enter they gonna generate the stuff นะครับ okay so we're gonna have the catalog app like this one นะครับ so if you see we gonna yeah we see the catalog app in here. So what we supposed to do is we can go to the we can uh, go to the application นะครับ and then we gonna try to put the catalog app to work นะฮะ something like that. So as first we need to have URLs and the setting นะครับ however since we need to do the source code, so let's go to the location of the source code on the GitHub. I will not put the code in the slide นะครับ so we go to the GitHub and then for this tutorial we go to the master 02. Yeah, okay. So in this master 02, what you need to do is at first we go to the URLs first. So in the URLs, okay, go to here. นะครับ so you see the source code in the master 02 you need to update something นะครับ so actually it's just right here นะครับ you need to put the include in the path and then you need to include catalog app. So when the people go to your program they're gonna go to catalog app นะฮะ so it means that your project is the web server and then the catalog app is for the application you want to show นะครับ so you go to my site project and then go to URLs นะครับ so in here you set import path and then you put include นะครับ and then after you put include so you can put this name to your catalog app นะครับ I mean this can be any name นะครับ but the name need to match the app that you do for นะฮะ so it's gonna be path and then include catalog app URLs นะฮะ so it means we're gonna just do in my side project only this and then the rest of the stuff we're gonna do catalog app later on, but we will not go to catalog app yet because we have setting นะครับ so in the setting we need to update the source code as well. So you go to the GitHub and then go to the setting นะครับ you need to do 3 of them. You need to do the import OS นะครับ create the template นะครับ and then install app. So we do one by one นะครับ so the import OS I didn't need to copy the code because I can remember นะครับ so in the setting underneath the path นะครับ form path list I said import OS นะครับ import OS. So and then after that we just put the template here. This one is mean to locate นะครับ the template of the web file นะครับ actually we didn't need to do this but to make it sensible we just do because we're going to do this API later on. And then the last one this one we need to put catalog app because if you didn't put they don't know whether which app we're gonna do นะครับ so we can set catalog app. So again this one can be anything but it must match to the app that you create before. So right now we have the catalog app this thing already นะฮะ okay next one นะฮะwe go back and then we do URL set setting นะครับ so you need to create a template folder under catalog app, so you can just go to the window and then in the catalog app you just say create the folder name templates นะครับ templates okay and then you need to create URLs in the version of catalog app because like I told you you will not use the URLs in the my side project, right? Because we're gonna go to catalog app, so I just close this, and then I go. I didn't need my side project anymore, so I go to catalog app and then set do the Python file URLs. So in the Python file URLs, we need to do your own version of catalog app นะครับ so you see in the master 02 นะครับ so I go back to the root of the project นะครับ and then this time I go to catalog app inside my side project and then you go to URLs นะครับ okay so this one is mean we gonna use the URL pattern the first one the part นะครับ the root of our website gonna use the views.homepage นะครับ something like that so we go to URLs and copy so they're gonna go to views.homepage unfortunately we did not have the homepage yet นะครับ so what should we do we go to views นะครับ views so views is in views.py นะครับ so we go to view and then we see our instruction okay so hereนะครับ we go to the we do URLs already so we go to views นะครับ and then add it นะครับ we add it already right so next one we gonna we haven't add นะครับ so we do add the source code first นะครับ so URLs we go to views นะครับ views is mean actually view is one of the biggest form in the Python Django because all of the business logic come to views นะครับ so if you want to update the record by using the program นะครับ if you want to update program, the record programmatically you just need to go to view you want to show the result to the user you need to go to view นะครับ so view is everything I mean on of the logic here so what we do is we do the home page function in view in here นะครับ okay so this one is a home page function and then we have some context นะครับ the var one and current email this one is just simple we not gonna use this one so you do not need to worry but this one is like the context that handled with the request นะครับ so we gonna render request by using homepage.html so this one is they are quite smart you know I mean they know that the views.py or the Python Django need to handle the logic of the program so they will not include the representation of the web page right so if you want to do the decoration from the web page you go to homepage.html right so that one is really smart however we will not do Python Django web we're gonna do REST API okay so anyway we know the format is homepage.html so we go to the template and then create new HTML file name homepage it can be any name but you need to match the name in the view and the name in homepage.html okay so we go to the instruction and then source code you need to update the source code too because this one is the just have the title right but if I see it in the template and then homepage okay so I just copy the entire file so here and then we copy entire file so what we're gonna do is mean when we run the program and go to we go to the website so the website they're gonna jump to your catalog app right the homepage gonna jump to catalog app and then in the catalog app they go to view.homepage and then when you go to view.homepage they're gonna render homepage.html just that so we go to homepage.html so what we're gonna do is we gonna run and then we go to the website and then the website gonna show 1 2 3 1 2 3 here at Asta episode at Asta episode is mean the wording that we putting in the website something like this so from now on is whenever we go to our website it's gonna go to whatever we do in the homepage.html so if you want to use Python Django to create a website we can start a series of the website and series of the view function to map the URL